Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial you are going to learn how to create a professional invoice. To create a professional invoice, we are going to use Microsoft Excel. Go to your search bar and type Excel. The version of Excel you have is going to pop up on your screen. Then you click on it. The version I'll be using is 2019 version of Microsoft Excel. Now you're going to see what is known as the start screen. Right here in the start screen, if you want to create, we are going to be creating our invoice from template. Move to this section of more templates, as you can see right here. Click on more templates. You're going to have access to free template from Microsoft Office. Now it depends on what you want to create. If you want to create budget, you can click on budget, or you could just type directly into the search box. I'm going to type invoice and hit the enter key. So Microsoft is going to search from thousands of templates online to give you hundreds that are available. So you can select from any of these templates and edit. So let's look for a template to use. So I'm going to use this particular one, sales invoice. So I'm going to click on this. After you click on create. Now, to edit this template, all you need to do is click and type. But for you to change this logo, you need to right click on the logo. Right click on the logo and go to change graphics. You can get your logo from your local drive if you have it on your system, or you can get your logo from online source. So I'm going to click from a file because I have logo on my system. I'll go to my desktop, Tons Media. Is there any logo here? Okay, let me see if I have logo somewhere else. Okay, so I'm just going to bring in a picture, any picture as my logo for now. Alright, so I'm going to use this, how to download as my logo. I'll click on insert. So this is my logo. So if you have a logo, you right click, go to change graphics, and you select from your system. The next thing is to edit the company name. So I'm going to click on your company name and type my company name, Futurist ICT Solutions. Futurist ICT Solutions. Then your company slogan here. So if you have a company slogan, you can put it here. I'm going to type expanding possibilities. Expanding possibilities. Alright, next is date. Automatically it's going to fix your date for you. If there's an invoice number, you can enter the invoice number right here. So for example, I can enter 111. Customer ID, I can enter 222. Then over here to the person that I'm giving the invoice to. So I'm going to enter the person's name here. Let's say the person's name is Tosin. Tosin Oba. Okay. Now company name, I'm going to enter just my YouTube channel, Tons Media. So your customer is going to give you this information. So street address, Egbeda, Lagos. Egbeda, Lagos. Egbeda, Lagos, Nigeria. Okay. Then city, zip code, and so on. If this is not applicable, what you need to do is right click. If this is not part of your invoice, right click, go to delete, and delete entire row. The horizontal section of your worksheet is referred to as row. The vertical section of your worksheet is referred to as column. So you're going to delete entire row, this one right here. So I'm going to click OK, and it's going to go away. So I'm going to enter phone number here. So I'm just going to enter a phone number. All right. Now ship to. If this is not applicable, just highlight and delete. Hit delete and hit delete. Okay, the next thing, the next section, you have salesperson, job, shipping method, and all of that. If this is applicable, you fill in here. If it's not, you can just highlight these two rows. Do not highlight the empty space, the empty row. Highlight these two rows. Right click. Then you go to delete, and you delete table rows, and it's going to go away. So the next thing you're going to fill in is the quantity of product that you're buying. So let's say I'm buying 10 mouse. How about item, mouse, and description? You can put description. You have custom column. If custom column is not needed, all you need to do is just click and click right here and delete. Okay, so we have a unit price of a mouse. So price per one. So here I'm going to put 500. And if there's any discounts, you're going to put it here. So automatically it's going to calculate it for me. So that's 500 times 10. We have 5,000. So I'm going to use Naira because I'm making this video from Lagos, Nigeria, and our currency is Naira. So I'm going to highlight all of these cells. I'm going to highlight everything right here and go to my currency. To access your currency, you have it under number. So you can click here, you're going to see currency right here, or you can just click on this arrow right here. It's going to take you to this box. Select currency and go to symbol. If you go to symbol, you're going to see your country currency symbol right here. If you are careful in finding it, you're going to see it. Okay, you can see dollar, you can see some other country. You see Nigeria right here. So that is how to get that. All right, as you can see, everything now is now in Naira. So the second product is keyboard. So I have 5 of that. Then I have keyboard. If there's any description, you put it right here. So my keyboard is 1000. Okay. So the next product is, you see, automatically to calculate every other thing for me. So the next product is going to be charger, laptop charger. Okay. Oh, the quantity is going to be 10 pieces. So here I have charger. And here in description I can put laptop. Here I'm going to have 2000. Also, it's going to calculate this for me, and I'm going to have my total. If there's a sales task, you're going to put it. You put it right here, and you have your total. As you can see, make all checks payable to the name of the company is supposed to be here. That is Futurist. Futurist. I don't know why it's not there. It's supposed to be automatic. It's supposed to be automatic rather. Futurist ICT Solutions, but you can type. thanks for your business. Street address, you can just put your street address right here. This is a better. Oops, sorry. This is a better. Okay, so then I have my website, Futurist ICT Solutions. Okay, I can include my email right here and phone number or customer care line. And if there's another thing you want to include, signature, you can include it right here, whatever you want to include. Okay, so this is a standard invoice, or this is a professional invoice. So this is how you create invoice in Microsoft Excel. All you need to do is just get a template and start editing. There's supposed to be an invoice right here. Where is it? So I'm just going to type it, invoice. Okay, so it's there. Invoice. Okay, so I'm going to remove that this one here. All right, so our invoice is ready. So the next thing is to print. How are you going to print your invoice? So we go to file and we select print, and here is our print preview. Yeah, luckily for us, everything comes out fully. But if you're in a situation and you have part of your invoice not there, let's say something like this. If I go right here to my normal view, if I go to print preview, you can see that part of this invoice has been cut off. Now, if you are printing and you have something like this, what can you do? So you go back and go back to this page break preview. Then you get to this page break preview. So you can extend this line to this point to cover up the content within your page. You can see this is page 1, and maybe if there's another line here not capturing everything at the bottom, you can just drag the line down, and you go to your normal view, and if you go to your print, if you click on print, you're going to see that everything is captured right here now, in your invoice. So you can send it to the printer. You select your printer, the printer that is connected to your system, the number of copies you want to print out, and this is just one page, so it's going to print one page, pages 1:1, or you just leave it at this setting, print active sheet, and then you hit on print and it prints. Now, if you don't want to print, you want to send it to a customer's email. To send this invoice to a client or a customer, all you need to do is go to your file. Then you're going to see share. So you click on share, and you're going to click on email. So you click on email, and you see email send as an attachment, send as PDF. So you're going to use this option, send as PDF. So once you click on send as PDF, you're going to come to Outlook. It's going to welcome you to Outlook. Click on next. Do you want to set up Outlook to connect an email account? You click yes again. Okay, so you have your name. So I'm going to put my name right here. Then you have your email address, and I'm going to type my email address. Outlook.com, and enter my password. Okay, so once you enter your password, Outlook is completing the setup for your account. This might take several minutes, so you must have an Outlook account or any other account. Okay, so congratulations, your email account was successfully configured and is ready to use. So I'm going to click finish. Okay, so it's going to come up with this, and the next thing you're going to do is you type the email of the customer. So I'm just going to type on my Gmail account. So we have futurist computers at gmail.com. Futurist computers at gmail.com. I can change the subject. I can change the subject to sales invoice. Sales invoice. As you can see, your invoice is already attached here. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on send. So I'm going to click on send, and it's going to send it to that customer's email. So that is how you create invoice. You can also print the invoice out by going to your print, and also you can send it to customer's email by going to share, and you attach it as an email, send as PDF as an attachment to the customer's email. So thank you for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe, like, and share this content. Thank you.